Welcome to the review. Today we're cooking burgers. Been my fishing and tailgate setup for close to 10 years. Today we're reviewing the one thing that brings it all together, the Traeger Ranger. What about setup? First, take it out of your Traeger bag, set it on the back of the truck, plug it into the jackery, and fire it up. It's that easy. Wife got this Traeger Ranger for me 10 years ago for Father's Day. We've used it down at the lake, tailgates, camping trips, and fishing trips. Let's talk about the build quality of the Traeger Ranger. After 10 years, still no wiggle in the handle. The clips work perfectly. I've never had any problems with any of the thermostat or temperature regulation. Inside, does not look 10 years old. The quality. What about cooking performance? Does it hold heat? 100% holds heat. Doesn't matter if it's cold at a tailgate or nice and warm like today. If you open it several times to check your food, it'll kick right back to temp really quick. Look at cooking space on the Traeger Ranger. We have 4 big hamburgers on there now with plenty of room for other food. I've cooked entire racks of ribs on this before. Let's talk about the pros of the Traeger Ranger. First off, build quality. The build quality on this is outstanding. I've never had a problem at all after 10 years. Second, it's extremely portable. You can take it anywhere. Next, cooking space. Lots of cooking space. And finally, huge pellet hopper. Let's talk about the cons of the Traeger Ranger. First, it is a little bit heavy. Good news, when it's in the back of the truck, you don't have to move it far. Second, is you have to pack pellets. Just one more thing you have to bring. Pulling about 275 and our jackery at 80%. Our burgers are done. Show you the shutdown process here. Hold the center button, it flashes off. After about 15 minutes, it's ready to be put away. Final verdict, if my Traeger Ranger was gone tomorrow, I'd immediately go get another one.